Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about common expressions in English. The ball's in your court. Michael and Emily are co-workers at a major company. They're working on a big project and need to cooperate together. So, how is the project going so far, Emily? Well, I did my part and sent it over to you for review. Oh, right. I'll make sure to look it over and get back to you as soon as possible. Great, thank you. Just let me know if you need any revisions. The ball is in your court now. Sounds great, and thanks for getting that to me in a timely manner. You're welcome, Michael. Quiz time! What does "the ball is in your court" mean? It's time to play basketball? Business is great right now. Work harder. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Now it's your turn. Teaching moment. Michael and Emily did work for their project. After Emily was done with her part, she passed the project to Michael. This is just like giving the ball to the opposing team in basketball after you score. Examples. I've made my argument. Now the ball's in your court to counter or agree. I gave you all the information you need to complete the project. It's up to you to take it from here. The ball is in your court now. Check. I'm going to take your king if you can't defend him. The ball is in your court. Vocabulary extras. Look something over. Examine or inspect something carefully. As soon as possible. The earliest possible opportunity. Do something in a timely manner. Do something without delay. It's up to you. It's your decision. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.